Can you manifest him back if he's in another relationship? Can you manifest him back if you guys broke up 12 years ago? Can you manifest him back if he blocked you and said he doesn't want to hear from you again? Can we please stop bombarding my inbox with these questions? The answer is always the same, love. Yes, yes, and yes. You can manifest anything as long as your belief system supports it. But me knowing that means that I have the belief system to support that, and it does not help your manifestation. Here's what's happening to you when you're asking other people if this is possible or not possible for you. You are 100% giving away your power. You are giving them the power to decide if your manifestation is possible or not. Why would you do that? Yes, 100% I have seen the impossible be possible. I've had clients manifest a job that required certain credentials that they did not have. I've had clients manifest a position that never becomes available to become available. I've had clients get out of horrible relationships where they've been abused, neglected, mistreated, thinking they'd never manifest someone that would treat them nicely, and they've manifested partners that blow their mind and treat them like queens. I've had clients broken up with and being told, no, I cannot be with you because of your anxiety, and a few weeks later be told, you're the only one I want, please give me another chance. I've had clients be broken up with, and each one goes on their own path and has a different relationship, and months later come back together into an up-leveled relationship. What is possible for you, only you get to decide. Stop giving away your power and start doing the work to develop the belief system that supports you getting everything that you deserve.